Hydroponics is a science that entails horticulture without the need for soil. The primary goal of hydroponic farming is to grow plants healthily without the need for traditional soil media. Instead of utilizing soil, hydroponics uses a water solution that is high in vitamins and minerals. We will list some of the finest hydroponic training centers in India that will give you hydroponic farming training at a low cost. During the training session, they will teach you about hydroponics cost analysis details, including downsides and benefits. They will also provide you with a hydroponic setup and nutrients. Therefore, you may begin hydroponic farming as soon as feasible. They will provide you with free guidelines during the startup period for hydroponic farming, protected cultivation of crops, vegetables, protected farming of flowers and ornamental plants, fruit cultivation and orchid management with commercial horticulture, commercial vegetable production, landscape gardening and design, and organic farming training. First in the list is Institute of Horticulture Technology located in Delhi NCR. Second is Sai Swayam Society nearest Janakpuri West Metro Station in Delhi. Third is Tech Excellence Solutions Private Limited in Mumbai. Next is Kerala Agriculture University in Kerala. Hydrilla in Bangalore. Future Farms in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, and Bellisiri Hydroponics Training and Consultants situated in Bengaluru, Karnataka.